Troubleshoot home theater rear speakers. Nearly everyone nowadays has a home theater speaker system installed in his homes. Most commercially available LCD TVs are bundled with the speakers, and it is really a joy watching your favorite movies or television series on an excellent video and audio quality. It is not impossible for your speakers to bog down in the middle of watching something, and you might want to take a quick look at it before you decide to call in the technical support staff of your equipment. Read on the article below to see if there is something here that you can do on your own. Checking the mute button. Sometimes it is the easiest culprit to catch, since some people really tend to forget that they hit the mute button while they are using the speakers. Just check your remote control or your TV display if you are on mute, or if the remote control still has working batteries. Pinpointing the airing speakers. If there is a buzz in your speakers and you do not know where it is coming from, you can pinpoint the source by methodically toning down the volume of all speakers except one. Do this until you can identify from which speaker the buzzing sound is coming from. Check if there are any obstructions on the speaker unit itself. Checking the cable box. If your cable box is the one humming, then you can repair it by disconnecting it from your cable feed while simultaneously connected to the receiver. This should relieve you of the humming sound. If this does not work, then there is something wrong with your cable ground. You can fix this by buying a transformer for ground breaking. Checking your connection to the TV or the projector. The disturbing humming sound can also come from your video out unit, such as your TV set or the projector. You can know this for sure by disconnecting it from the audio source for a moment and see if the humming ceases. You can also resolve this issue by getting an isolation transformer that will be compatible with your projector or TV unit. Checking the cables. Other common culprits are the cables connecting your equipment. Check if they are snugly plugged into their proper terminals. Check if they are still in good condition and if there are no areas exposed to the air. A good cleaning of your speakers, their outer covers and surfaces, is also a good way to eliminate or lessen the chances of malfunction midway into their usage. If all of these measures still do not work, then it is time to take out the instruction manual of your set. If all of the troubleshooting guides there do not work, then you need to call the customer service hotline and be ready to present your receipt and warranty card, if applicable. Your unit may also be guilty of overheating or overusage. Make sure that you do not use it for extended periods of time without ample rest, and even if the manufacturers say that they can handle really high volume levels, it is best not to abuse your unit. Any popping or sparking in your unit must be brought to the service staff's urgent attention, since you might be having an issue with the electrical wiring.